the most amazing welcome. And the most special thing to all of us here is the reason why Mr. Reddy has invited us. She hasn't invited you because you're beautiful.
Can we expect Miss World competitions again in India and Hyderabad in further years again?
I would love to come back next year.
Wow.
I'm not trying to push for anything. It's just that other parts of India are asking me to go there. But I like to first give Telangana the opportunity straight away. I don't like to take something and run away. So if they would like us next year, we would be happy to stay. Otherwise, there are other areas in India that would like us. And then, of course, there are other countries, but let's do one step at a time and work together, not to worry about other places yet.
Magandang araw po sa inyo at welcome back dito sa ating pinakabagong video. Mga kapolitika, nagsalita na po ang Miss World Organization dito sa mga allegations na ginawa ni Miss World England, kasi na-report natin doon sa ating naunang video na kung saan ay meron di umanong hindi magagandang pinapagawa itong organization dito sa mga kandidata para sa mga sponsor na kung saan ay tinitable daw nung mga kilalang mga tao o mga prominent na tao para dito sa kanilang mga kandidata para makakuha sila ng funds sa kanilang organization. So ngayon mga kapolitika ay nagsalita na nga po itong Miss World na kung saan ay pinabulaanan nito ang mga sinabi ni Miss World England dito sa kanilang organization. So ang sabi nila ay false narrative daw itong sinasabi ng kandidata ng England na kung saan ay okay naman daw nung nag-excuse itong kandidata nila dito sa Miss World, and then after nun is bakit against na yung mga sinasabi nitong babaeng ito sa kanilang organization. So ngayon ay naglabas na po ng official statement itong Miss World sa pamamagitan ng CEO of course na si Julia Morley. Earlier this month, Mila Maggie requested to leave the competition due to a reported family emergency involving her mother's health. As a mother and grandmother herself, Julia Morley, CBE chairwoman of Miss World, responded to Mila's situation with compassion and immediate arranged her return to England, placing the well-being of the contestant and her family first. So dito ito yung sinabi ng Miss World na kung saan ay meron di umanong family emergency itong pambato nila, kung kaya pinayagan na umalis and then inarrange daw yung pagbabalik niya doon sa England. So dito ang sinabi kasi in contrast nga or opposite doon sa mga sinabi niya nung nakalabas na siya dito sa competition mga kapolitika. Following her departure, Charlotte Grant, the first runner-up of Miss England, graciously stepped in to represent her country. Charlotte arrived in India on Wednesday and has since been warmly welcomed into the Miss World sisterhood. Unfortunately, it has come out to our attention that certain UK media outlets have published false and defamatory statements allegedly made by Mila Maggie regarding her experience in India. These claims are completely unfounded and inconsistent with the reality of her time with us. In response, the Miss World organization is releasing unedited videos recorded during Mila's stay in India, in which she expresses gratitude, joy, and appreciation for the experience. These videos reflect her own words and sentiments and serve as a direct contradiction to the recent false narratives. Miss World remains committed to truth, dignity, and the values of beauty with a purpose. We urge media outlets to uphold journalistic integrity and verify their sources before publishing misleading content. So ito mga kapolitika yung naging pahayag ng Miss World Organization dito sa mga allegations nga ni Miss England. Official statement: Miss World sets the record straight on Mila Maggie's withdrawal. Julia Morley, CBE chairwoman of the Miss World Organization, responds with compassion and clarity regarding Miss England 2025 sudden exit from the competition amid false media claims. Miss World releases unedited footage showing Mila Maggie's gratitude and joy during her time in India. Charlotte Grant now proudly carries the flag for England at the 72nd Miss World Festival. So ito ang maging reaction ko po dito sa naging pahayag ng Miss World. At the same time, sabi nila contradict daw yung sinabi ni Mila Magis na kung saan ay nag-enjoy daw siya dito sa Miss World. It's just that meron daw incident or emergency sa kanilang family at involved doon yung kanyang ina. So sa tingin ko ito ay alibay na lang ni Mila Magis. Kasi sa tingin ko mga kapolitika, kung doon si Mila Magis sa loob ng competition mismo and then magsalita siya against sa organization, is pwede siyang ikulong doon. Kasi usually naman, normally is nagsasalita na yung mga kandidata pag nakalabas na sila mismo sa organization. So sa tingin ko, merong ground yung sinasabi ni Mila kapatungkol dito sa Miss World. So it's just that hindi siya makapagsalita while andun siya sa loob. So siguro sa mga susunod na araw kung makalabas na or matapos na itong Miss World 2025 ay maglalabasan siguro ang samot-saring mga kontrobersiya katulad doon sa Miss Universe 2024, which is sa tingin natin is hindi naman ito bago ang ganitong mga usapin. Okay? So sa tingin ko, ako ay naniniwala at mas kapanipaniwala yung mga pahayag ni Mila kung i-compare natin dito sa Miss World. Kasi ito ay sa tingin ko playing safe lang po ang organization para of course mapangalagaan yung kanilang integrity at yung kanilang image. Okay? So sa tingin nyo mga kapolitika, sino ang mas kapanipaniwala dito sa accusation or allegation ni Mila patungkol sa Miss World? Kayo po ba ay naniniwala sa organization or doon sa naging pahayag ni Mila Magi? Mag-comment down below at huwag kalimutang mag-like at mag-subscribe na rin kayo para updated kayo sa ating mga latest issue.